this. My hands are, I'm going to grab the dough mass closest to my body here and flip this over. I'm going to stretch it a little bit and flip it over. Now my hands are turned upwards. See? Now I have a cylindrical shape of shaggy dough mass. I'm going to take it by one side, pick up a little flour, also stretching it a little bit. See, my palms are down. Flip this over so that it looks like this. Okay. Yes. That's right. Right? So this is what it looks like. Now there's always the way that your grandma did it, like this.
Yeah.
Right? And that works just as well. I mean, we're just exerting pressure. We're just exerting energy on here. But to me, it's a little bit harder on your back. It's a little bit more exhausting. And this is a little bit more efficient, a little bit more fun.
Has a rhythm.
We're